Hajime good day, ma'am. This is the 15 sentences using kore, sore, and are. The first 5 sentences is kore. First, kore wa hon desu. This is a book. Kore, demonstrative pronouns meaning this, used for something near the speaker. Particle wa, topic particle marks kore, this or this as the topic of the sentence. Hon, noun meaning book. Des, copula polite ending meaning is. The particle wa show that this or kore is what you're talking about. The speaker is identifying something near them as a book. Second, kore wa watashi no pen desu. This is my pen. Kore, this, near the speaker. Particle wa, topic marker. Watashi no, my, the particle no show possessions like s in the English. Pen, the noun of the sentence. Des, polite ending is. Connect watashi and pen show ownership. The speaker say the pen near them belongs to them. Kore wa oishi desu. This is delicious. Kore, this near the speaker likely food. Particle wa, topic marker. Oishi, adjective meaning delicious or tasty. Des, polite ending that soften the tone. The sentence describes the quality of this. The speaker says the food drinking near them tastes good. Fourth sentences. Kore wa atarashi keitai desu. This is a new cell phone. Kore, this. Object near the speaker. Particle wa, topic particle. Atarashi, adjective meaning new. Keitai, the noun of the sentence, means cell phone. Des, polite ending is. The adjective atarashi describes the noun keitai. The speaker identify a nearby object as their new cell phone. Last, kore wa neko no shashin desu. This is the picture of a cat. Kore, this. Particle wa, topic particle. Neko no, of a cat. Particle no show that possession relationship. Shashin, picture or photo. Des, polite ending is. Neko and shashin to means cat pictures. The speaker refers to nearby photo and explain what is it. The second 5 sentences using sore. First, sore wa inu desu ka? Is that a dog? Sore, that object near the listener. Particle wa, topic particle. Inu, dog. And des, polite copula is. And particle ka, question particle. The particle ka makes it a yes or no question. Is the speaker asked if the things near the listener is a dog? Second, sorry wa anata no kaban desu ka? Is that your bag? Sorry, that near the listener. Particle wa, topic marker. Anata no, your or no show the possession. Kaban, bag. Des is. Particle ka, question marker. Connect you and bag to means your bag. The speaker asks if the bag near the listener belong to them. Sorry wa kore desu ne. That is pretty, isn't it? Sorry, that's near the listener. Particle wa, topic marker. Carry, pretty, beautiful, or clean. Des, polite ending. Particle ne, sentence ending, particle seeking agreement, isn't it? The particle ni makes the sentence friendly and invites agreement. The speaker compliments something near the listener. The fourth sentences. Sorry wa omoshiroi hon desu. That is the interesting book. Sorry, that near the listener. Particle wa, topic marker. Omoshiroi, adjective meaning interesting. hon, book, des, polite copula. The adjective describe book. The speaker comment that the book near the listener is interesting. Last, sorry wa takay des, that is expensive. Sorry, that's near the listener. Particle wa, topic marker. Takay, adjective meaning expensive or high. Des, polite ending. The adjective describes the noun implied object. The speaker remarks that the listener item is costly. The last 5 sentences using are. First, are wa yamades, that's over there is a mountain. Are, that's over there. From the far from both speaker and listener. Particle wa, topic marker. Yama, mountain. Des, polite ending is. The particle wa show that the topic and are indicate distance. The speaker identify a faraway mountain. Second, are wa gakko des, that's over there is a school. Are, that's over there. Particle wa, topic marker. Gakko, school. Des, polite copula is. This identifies something far away, are as a school. The speaker point out the distant school building. Third, are wa dare no koruma des. Whose car is that over there? Are, that's over there. Particle wa, topic particle. Dare no, whose, show ownership. Koruma, car. Des, polite copula. Ka, question particle. The structure dare no plus noun as above possession. The speaker inquires about who owned the car far away. The fourth, are wa foray ides, that's over there is an old house. That's over there. Particle wa, topic marker. Furay, old adjective. For object, building. A, house. Des, polite ending is. The adjective furay or old describe the noun. Describe the noun house. The speaker describe a distant house as old. The lastly is are wa watashi no tomodachi desu. That's over there is my friend. Are, that's over there far away. Particle wa, topic particle. Watashi no, my, show possession. Tomodachi, friend. Des, polite copula is. Linked watashi and tomashi, my friends. The speaker points something far away, identify them as a friend. That's all the 15 sentences using kore, sore, and are, ma'am. That's all, ma'am.